welcome back. We got disconnected. We had a few technical issues, but we are still here at the Diami Health Center in Carbondale, and fall is in the air. That's our theme for this posting, and we're so glad you could join us live. It's going to be a little bit more spontaneous today. Because it's autumn, we were inspired to look at we were reminiscing about our last year's Autumn Health Workshop. This is the folder, the welcome packet that we give to each participant. And we thought we would just reminisce with you today and share outside. The air is crisp. And also share with you some of the themes around fall that might help you in your process this year, in your health and healing journey. And one of the main themes about autumn is letting go. We see that right now, of course, with the leaves as they show their brilliant colors and then fall off the tree. Nature is already doing that as a symbol for us to also let go. Let go can mean letting go of habits. It can be letting go of ideas that maybe don't serve us anymore, or ways of thinking. It can also even be just as practical as letting go of clutter, like having too many things in our home, and learning how to cull through those and find out what's really of value to us. And that's another theme about the autumn. So let's move on to our packet. Last year we had several wonderful inserts and handouts and dittos for our packet. Two of them were recipes. I don't know if for those who participated you might remember the autumn wild rice and sweet potato soup. This was to die for. It was made with coconut milk. So we'll be posting these recipes over the next few weeks. And then the other one is a carrot ginger salad. It was basically carrot and fresh ginger, and you can add a little bit of red onion and some soy sauce or coconut aminos and just a touch of sesame oil to give it a little extra depth of flavor. And one of my favorite handouts from the Autumn Health Workshop was our Autumn Detox Food List. So autumn isn't just about what are you eating, it's also about what are you choosing to leave out. What are you choosing to refrain from this time of year? So some top five or six things would be sugar, dairy, wheat, caffeine, especially in the form of coffee, and gluten. But the top three, I would say, especially in Chinese medicine, is sugar, dairy, and wheat. So maybe some things to keep in mind if you're finding that you're getting stuffed up or easily getting a cold, or just wanting to build your immunity. Avoid those things. Try it out and see what your body does. And of course, let us know. And then I just want to also mention before we go here is that we love this book called Staying Healthy with the Season. It's kind of my Bible, what I go to for when I'm even preparing for my workshops. It's written by a man named Elson Haas, and he is an MD and was greatly inspired by Chinese medicine and put together this book called Staying Healthy with the Seasons, all based on Chinese medicine and seasonal approach to health. So it's very much in alignment with what we teach and practice here at the Diami Health Center in terms of the phases of life, the phases of health, and how to be in alignment with a bigger flow so that things feel more in harmony and less conflicted. And with that, we find that we have less dis-ease, if you take those two words, and more health. So let us know if we can help you in any way, especially during these, challenging times. And enjoy the fall. Get outside, breathe. The lungs are associated with this time of year too. So breathe and go for walks and play in the leaves and whatever helps you to feel really good. We'll catch you later.